Huh? What's this? Let me grab it for a sec. Viewmaster? Okay. Oh, looks like an elephant. Okay. What does this do? Oh, I'll be right back.
What did you say?
Why are the Viewmaster things for? Just to view and these things, like binoculars or something. Let me show you. Wow, James, that's so cool. Oh, National in Space. Oh, that's all the things I collect. I think they were available though. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my! That's a lot. And that's it. That looks magic. How about we try it? Percy! Ooh! Nice dinosaur documentary. Oh. Oh. Your turn. Click the like button,
Leave a comment.
and subscribe to see Shir's channel. Bye.